What's fast, friendly, and fiercely functional? You're looking at it. The 2025 Honda CBF1000F, Honda's answer to riders who want touring comfort, sporty performance, and everyday usability, all without selling a kidney. Today, we're diving deep into the bike that's making mid-range sport touring relevant again. If you love real-world bikes that punch above their weight, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more motorcycle content like this. Alright, let's get into it. The CBF1000F has always had an identity crisis, but in a good way. It's not a full sport bike, it's not a big bulky tourer, and it's definitely not an entry-level machine. Instead, it lands right in that sweet spot, a do-it-all motorcycle that wears several hats without looking like it's trying too hard. The 2025 model continues that legacy but refines the formula with more tech, sharper styling, and even better road manners. Honda didn't reinvent the wheel here, they just made it roll smoother, faster, and farther. At the heart of the 2025 CBF1000F is a 998 cubic centimeters inline-four, derived from the legendary Fireblade but tuned for the road. And no, this isn't a track rocket, it's a torque-rich, civilized, and surprisingly quick powerhouse that makes about 110 horsepower and 75 lb-ft of torque. That might not sound like much in today's 200 horsepower superbike world, but trust me, this is all the engine most riders will ever need. The power band is smooth, linear, and forgiving. Roll on in 6th gear. No drama. Just surge and go. Whether you're carving through back roads or cruising on the highway, the engine delivers that beautiful blend of character and calm. No snatchy throttle, no excessive vibration, just buttery power everywhere. The chassis has seen subtle but smart tweaks for 2025. Still based on a steel backbone frame, it's rigid where it needs to be but surprisingly compliant. Honda upgraded the suspension to a 43mm Showa SFF BP fork and an adjustable rear shock, both tuned for comfort with just enough sportiness.